Enoch in the Esoteric Royal Arc of Freemasonry, a lecturing guide for the esoteric enthusiasts by Past Master Abdulmalik M. McHenry. Dedication to the seekers of light who refuse to stop at the outer courts, but who press forward into the veiled sanctum sanctorium of their own souls. This work is dedicated to every Royal Arc Mason who understands the greatest keystone is not in a hidden vault beneath the temple, but within the hidden chambers of the human heart. The mystery of Enoch. In the volume of Sacred Law, Genesis 5:24 tells us, "And Enoch walked with God, and he was not, for God took him." Enoch is an enigma, a man who lived 365 years, whose days correspond to the solar cycle, suggesting that he himself, a living calendar, a cosmic marker of divine order. Tradition, both biblical and extra-biblical, tells us he was given visions of the heavenly architecture and commanded to preserve divine wisdom for future generations. In Masonic legend, Enoch is the first to receive the ineffable name and conceal it for preservation. He does this by engraving it upon a pure triangular plate of gold and placing it within a vault, the architect of the Royal Ark. Enoch's vault in the triple veil. The Royal Ark degree allegorically reenacts the discovery of a secret vault beneath the ruins of the temple. In some traditions, this vault was constructed by Enoch, consisting of 9 arches descending into the earth. Each arc represents a veil of reality, a level of initiation into the mysteries. The first veil, the world of appearances and the illusions of material life. The middle veils, layers of understanding, purification, and symbolic death. The 9th vault, the inner chamber, where the name dwells, the Holy of Holies within. This descent mirrors the mystic inward journey, the self moving from profane knowledge into the sanctified awareness of divine truth. The Royal Ark Symbolism. The Royal Ark is the keystone of the capitular system. It bridges the gap between craft masonry and the ineffable mysteries. Its symbols, when viewed through the Enochian lens, reveal deeper truth. The triple Tau, 3 T's intersecting in one interpretation. Templum, Hierosolima, the Temple of Jerusalem, or Clavis ad Jerusalem, a key to treasure. Esoterically, it is a sign of unity between heaven, earth, and the divine spark within man. The Ark represents the vault of heaven, the spiritual structure of the cosmos, and the human mind is the temple. The keystone, the protected self, and the perfected self, fully integrated in body, mind, and spirit. Scriptorial and apocryphal sources. Beyond Genesis, the book of Enoch, 1 Enoch, explains the legend. Enoch's journey through multiple heavens, guided by angels, he is shown the cosmic order, the cycles of stars, and the mysteries of the divine throne. He learns the ineffable name and the structure of creation itself. The Royal Ark narrative parallels these themes: the journey through the veils, the discovery of hidden wisdom, and the restoration of the lost word. The inner work for the esoteric Mason. The Royal Ark is more than a historical degree. It is an operative system of spiritual architecture for the esoteric enthusiast. The descent, meditation upon the 9 arches, can serve as a guided inner journey. The lost name, contemplate the ineffable as the divine presence within. The name is a state of consciousness, not merely a word. I'll say it again. The name is not a state of consciousness. The name is a state of consciousness, not merely a word. The ark as the mind. Strengthen the keystone through divine discipline, virtue, and study. Record your light. Like Enoch, leave behind teachings for future generations. Brothers and companions, Enoch reminds us all that the true building begins within the foundation of the soul. The royal ark teaches us the temple of God is not lost, it is hidden within us. The vault is your own heart. The keystone is your own perfected nature. The ineffable name is the vibration of your spirit aligned with the will of the Most High. Therefore, let each of us, as esoteric Masons, strive to walk with God as Enoch did, faithfully, consciously, and with the mind fixed upon the eternal ark of the heavens. Behold, I set before thee an open door, and no man can shut it. Revelations 3:8.